What did I tell you guys yesterday? I told you keep an eye on this one. Don't underestimate space. Don't underestimate space. We're going to make good use of space. Space technology, Space Force, AI, all of these stocks pumping. Sidus stock up over 220% on the day. If you bought this morning, you're in the green. You made a lot of money. Congratulations. I told you guys keep an eye on this one. Buy it because if not, you're gonna miss out. I wouldn't chase it now. Obviously, if you watch this video a little too late, then you missed out. You don't want to chase now because you don't want to be the sucker holding the big bag up here. So it's not a stock you want to chase. And I told you guys, it's not a stock you want to hold long term. This one loves to have big volatile moves. Look at those big green candles. Boom, boom, boom. But you notice something. I want you to take notice of the fact that these big green candles are usually followed by some dumps. So be very careful about chasing. Very, very careful about chasing. I would not do it. It has a history of having, yes, these big runs, big green candles, and then a huge sell off to follow. So the best time to buy is once it bottoms out yet again, which is why I said, guys, hey, if this is bottomed out and we get a big run, wait for it to bottom out again. You do not want to chase, end up holding a big bag up here, and then it comes back down to $1, and smart people like me, we load up, and you're still holding a big bag up there, hoping that it comes back up for you. That's not what you want to do. You want to wait for it to bottom out now if you didn't buy. So, because I know some of you were like, oh my god, I missed this one. No. And I was like, well, what do you want me to say to you? Don't watch my videos watch my videos in the morning before market open at least. Because if you had bought it open, I mean, you would have bought it around 225, and I don't know where this is going to close. But assuming you just buy it open and close the position at market close, let's say, then I mean, you're going to be up over 100% easily. So money in the bank. I don't know if there's going to be other stocks like this. If there are other space stocks, then maybe I need to do some research and keep an eye on where we could potentially get the next big pump. So we'll see. We'll see. Right now, it's all about the AI and anything AI related, anything that's going to get the benefit of using AI, be it in space or on land or wherever underground, doesn't matter. So that was at least that was my thought process. Like, space technology is going to be a thing, so I wouldn't be surprised if it pumped. And I wasn't expecting this big of a move. I thought we were going to just close this gap here. I was like, hey, if it closes that gap, I'll take the 50%. Well, ended up being more than that. So congratulations to the people who got in. That is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. My belief is that it's going to come back down. It's done that over and over again. History tells us it's going to come back down. So let it come back down. Let it bleed. And it's going to be probably a month or two before it comes down nice and cheap. And then we reload and we do it again. Rinse and repeat. You're either bagging someone or someone's bagging you. To avoid getting bagged, you exercise patience and discipline. Let it come down nice and cheap. There is a Word document in the description below if you want to download and take a look at my strategy and how I developed my buying bottom strategy, and the discipline and patience that I had to learn so that I'm not the one getting bagged up here. Because I used to be the one getting bagged. But I learned from my mistakes, and now we play stocks like this. So there you go, guys. I think this one's a good one. Not for long-term holds. I wouldn't want to hold this long-term. But I think it's a good one for taking advantage of the pump and dumps that it loves to have. Look at that. It has a history of pump and dumps. Has a history of bottoming out. The bottom is at $2.19. $2. And it's just a matter of waiting. It did gap down, so that was unfortunate. But other than that, it should come back and settle around 220. That's what I predict. Again, this is the part where you have to have patience and discipline and just wait for it to come down to $2. Let it come down. That is it for the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next big pump.